Welcome back to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making 3-cheese tortellini with spinach and tomatoes. Let's get started. In a pot, start by pouring in 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of fresh chopped spinach, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a half of teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of basil. Mix it together and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix the flour in thoroughly until it's well combined. Gradually mix in 3/4 cup of milk. Next, stir in 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Then add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now stir it well and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Next, stir in 1 pound of cooked 3-cheese tortellini. Then, let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until it thickens. To finish, stir in 1/4 cup of reserved pasta water. And there you have it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more delicious, easy recipes. See you next time.